Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Google account signed in, Chrome up to date, and Chrome remote desktop extension installed. Open Chrome on the laptop you want to control and on the host PC. Once done, sign into the same Google account on both devices so permissions and access sync correctly. Make sure you grant the extension necessary permissions. This enables remote access service to run. This initial setup prevents later authentication issues and prepares both ends for pairing and PIN creation. Next, you install the native host connector when Chrome prompts. Accept admin permissions so the remote service can start at boot. On the laptop, choose Remote Access, click Turn On, and create a strong 6+ digit PIN. This PIN is required for unattended connections. Name the laptop clearly so you can spot it in the list. Make sure power and network settings allow wake and network access. Otherwise, the host may be unreachable, even after correct configuration. Finally, on your client device, open Chrome Remote Desktop, select the laptop entry, and enter the PIN to connect. Once connected, adjust resolution and clipboard settings for smoother control. If you cannot connect, check firewall or router NAT rules and ensure the host connector service is running. Restart the service or reboot the host. Make sure both devices run the latest Chrome and extension versions. If problems persist, temporarily disable antivirus/firewall to test. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.